Hello everyone, let's continue with the transaction. So in transaction today we'll discuss about the read-write problem. There are some of the problems, one is the write-read problem, another one is the read-write problem, then write-write problem and lost update problem. So we'll discuss about all these problems, right? So already we have discussed about write-read problem. Write-read problem already we have discussed. And today we'll discuss about the read-write problem now. Read-write problem. So read-write problem, or we can say read-write conflict. Just a minute. Read-write conflict. Read-write conflict. So here transaction T1 and T2, these are the two transactions. Okay, and here it is read of A, here it is a write of A, and read is uncommitted, right? So here we can say this is a simultaneous read-write problem. Simultaneous read-write problem. Simultaneous read-write problem. So here we can say T2 updating data item A, data item A, which is already read by uncommitted transaction T1. Okay, so here this is what read, and ये read है, ये complete हुआ नहीं है, right? Commit नहीं हुआ है, right? Just wait a minute, एक मिनट वेट करना. ओके, सो यहाँ पे रीड हुआ है और यहाँ पे राइट हुआ है, और ये रीड कमिट नहीं हो रखा है, राइट? सो वी कैन से T2 इज अपडेटिंग डेटा आइटम A, राइट? सो T2 इज अपडेटिंग डेटा आइटम A विच इज ऑलरेडी रीड बाय अनकमिटेड ट्रांजेक्शन T1, जिसको किसने रीड कर लिया है? ट्रांजेक्शन T1 ने रीड कर लिया है, विच इज अनकमिटेड, राइट? दिस प्रॉब्लम इज नोन एज रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम और रीड राइट conflict. Is it clear to all? Yes, is it clear to all? Okay, fine. Then we'll discuss about the reason. What are the reasons for read-write problem? Reason. So first reason is that non-serializable schedule. Non-serializable schedule. Non-serializable schedule. And second reason is Second reason is at least one simultaneous write read operation. At least one simultaneous at least one simultaneous read write operation. Read write operation. At least one simultaneous read write operation. तो जब ये दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करेंगी, नॉन सीरियलाइजेबल शेड्यूल रहेगा और कम से कम एक रीड राइट ऑपरेशन, ऐसा ऑपरेशन रहेगा, तो क्या कहेंगे, विल से दैट देयर इज ए रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो देयर इज रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम. और ये दोनों सेटिस्फाई होनी चाहिए, ये दोनों ही कंडीशन वहां पे अक्सर होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज ये नहीं कहेंगे कि वहां पे रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम है, राइट. So this is about the read write problem. Let's see the example and tell me there is a read write problem or not. So here transaction is given. Here schedule is given. Here transaction T1, T2, and here it is read 1A, read 2A. Here it is write 1A, write 2A, write 2A, and here it is write 1A. Okay, so in this case there is a read write problem or not? Yes, verify that there is a read write problem or not. Yes, is there read write problem in this schedule? Okay, there is a read write problem. Let's see. So here this is the schedule given, and in this schedule we'll check that there is a read write problem or not. So to be read-write problem, we'll check these two conditions. Schedule should be non-serializable and at least one simultaneous read-write operation. So there is one read-write operation is there, right? This is the read-write operation, okay? And another thing, this schedule should be non-serializable. So we'll check the serializability. This schedule is serializable or not. Okay, so you can verify this schedule is serializable or not, right? But I have already checked this schedule is non-serializable, right? This schedule is non-serializable. And how to check the serializability? Already you know. So this schedule is non-serializable, and if it is non-serializable and there is a read-write problem, so we can say we can confirm that there is a read-write problem, right? At least one read-write operation. तो कम से कम एक रीड राइट ऑपरेशन वहाँ पे होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे तो ये भी है, ये भी बन रहा है रीड राइट ऑपरेशन, राइट? तो कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम रहेगी. देयर इज a रीड राइट प्रॉब्लम. इज इट क्लियर टू ऑल? Yes, confirm me. Is it clear to all?